Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e, and let me show you how to activate night mode, night shield on the following device. So at first you have to open a list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to display, and here you will notice night mode. So if you would like to use a darker dim to keep your eyes more comfortable at night, simply click on the switcher. And that's it. As you can see now, the device is black. The display is black and you can use your device in dark dim, so it has been all changed. And then if you'd like to switch it off, simply go to display one more time and switch off night mode. You can also activate night mode through the upper bar, simply slide it down, locate night mode shortcut. Here it is, simply tap, and now you're in dark mode. Then if you would like to turn it off, simply click on the moon icon one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use your device in night mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.